If you knew the value of certain fruits, would you include them in your diet? Stick around and let me show you how you can use fruits in a smoothie for maximum health benefits. What a going people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about how to make a healthy smoothie using 6 ingredients. Please watch the video to the end guys, I can assure you that you will not regret it. Let's talk about the ingredients that I'll be using to make this smoothie today. The first ingredient is mixed berries, and that includes blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries. They contain a lot of fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants. Incorporating berries in your diet may aid in the prevention and treatment of a variety of chronic illnesses, and that include diabetes. Next up is mangoes. Mango is a low-calorie fruit that is high in fiber, so it's really good for you to consume mangoes. It's also high in vitamins A as well as vitamin C. It also has vitamin B6, iron, and a trace of calcium, as well as zinc and vitamin E. Everything about mango is good. Everything that I mentioned just now is definitely good for our well-being. When was the last time you had a mango? A nice Julia East Indian mango. If it has been a while, it's time to start eating mangoes again. The next ingredient is ripe bananas. Eating bananas can help lower blood pressure, and they may help to reduce the risk of cancer. So bananas are sweet, naturally sweet, but ensure that you are eating them in moderation. How can I forget oats? Oats have numerous health benefits according to research. Some advantages include weight loss, lowered blood sugar levels, and a lower risk of heart disease. In addition to the benefits that it provides, it helps to add a little more body to my smoothie, and I like when my smoothies are a little thick. It's optional though, you can use yogurt if you don't like oats. If you like smoothies and you can't drink a lot of milk because you're lactose intolerant or you just don't like milk, you can use coconut milk. Drinking coconut milk in moderate amounts may assist to lower cholesterol and improve weight loss. I'm not talking about the one in the tin that's processed guys, I'm talking about the coconut that you pick from the tree and you extract the juice from it. I'm going to use organic honey to sweeten the smoothie. Honey boosts our immune systems and it has anti-cancer benefits, as well as it nourishes the good bacteria that lives in our intestines. While honey is delicious, it is not recommended for children under the age of 2. Honey contains toxic bacteria that can cause infant botulism. And infant botulism is a potentially fatal form of food poisoning. Children are not able to break down the properties of honey when they're below the age of 2. So don't give it to your children that are under 2 years of age. I will be using 1 cup of frozen mangoes, 1 medium frozen banana, 2 cups of frozen mixed berries, half cup oats, 1 tablespoon organic honey, and a cup of coconut milk. There is no special way to add your ingredients when you're making a smoothie, but I like to put the fruits in the blender first. So place all of your fruits in the blender. Let me just put the banana right in on top of the other fruits. I just added the oats guys. I was wondering for a minute what was causing that light on top of the oats, but then I realized that it's the phone. It's from the phone that I'm using. Time to add the coconut milk, and you can never feel too guilty having a little coconut milk because it's healthy for you. Now look at that. Let me just go right ahead and add the honey to this. I'm using a little bit more than a tablespoon of honey because I'm having a sweet tooth today. So if you want to add a little bit more honey, that is fine. Alright guys, just start blending your smoothie. I normally blend mine for about 2 minutes on and off. So 1 minute and then I stop, and then another minute, and it would be very smooth. It depends on your blender though. I don't know why, but I just like to take the top of the blender off and stare at it while it's blending. It's really satisfying for me. Next time you're blending something, try taking the top of your blender off. That's if it can come off, and tell me how you feel while you're doing it. Alright, so it's done blending now guys, and I'm about to go and pour it in a glass. To be honest with you guys, this is my first time making this kind of smoothie. I have never had it before. So I am just gonna finish pouring it and, you know, put a little decoration on the top. I'm no expert, but I'm going to try. And then after I'm done with the decoration, I am going to taste it and tell you how it tastes. Look at that guys, it just looks really healthy and, you know, nutritious. But let me just go ahead and top it off with some fruits. Take my little time and, you know, decorate it and see how it looks. Well, that's the outcome guys. I tried. Me try a thing and it not turn out so bad. I would give myself a 7 out of 10 for presentation. What do you think guys? But it tastes really good man. For something this healthy, I wasn't expecting it to taste this good. Try it for yourselves guys and tell me how it tastes and how it turns out for you. But I am definitely going to have this again. Maybe the next time I have it, I will have it as a smoothie bowl. But I am certain that this is a taste that I am going to want to enjoy another time. If you've not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel guys. After you have subscribed, turn the notification on so that whenever I post a video, you'll be the first one to see it. If you want to see more videos like this, comment down below and let me know. I like to try new things guys, so if you have any ideas that you would like for me to try out, comment down below and I'll do my best to do it for you. Share this video with everyone, and I want to say thanks again for being so amazing and for continuing to support my channel. Bless upon yourself until later. Guys, if you really don't want to have a mango after this, then you really don't love mangoes. Go ahead and have a mango guys. It's really good for you.